All right, let's talk about this hurricane, folks, because it is close to making landfall. In fact, let's take a look at it now. Starting to shift just a little bit further over toward the east now. If you look at the eye right here, it was moving further off to the north and now starting to shift a little further over toward the east. This is Cross City in Florida. That will continue to slide further off to the north and east and head toward the eastern seaboard. So far enough away from us right now, we're not experiencing anything. In fact, it's calm on the outside. Not a whole lot of wind, not a whole lot of clouds. We'll get some sunshine in early on. I think a few more clouds start to move our way as we head toward mid-morning and into early afternoon. Temperature-wise, we're in the 70s starting off this morning. A bit muggy on the outside. 76 right now in Atlanta. 74 Peachtree City. 74 towards George's Rome. Some 60s up here to the north. You got 67 degrees right now in Blairsville. Notice all the tornado watches associated with this. As a hurricane makes landfall, you get a lot of friction between the ocean and the land, and so you get that quick spin up of tornadoes. We saw a couple of those down toward Tampa already this morning. That will continue to be the case as we head further into the afternoon along the peninsula and into the southern portions of our state as well. Should become a tropical storm or downgrade at least to a tropical storm by the time it makes it into the southern ends of our state. We'll be watching that. Notice the latest path from the Hurricane Center takes it through the southeast, out to sea, and then up toward the Carolinas. So into South Carolina, North Carolina over the next couple of days. Far enough away from us that, again, the impacts here will be very minimal. Your heavy rainfall will be in the southeastern portions of the state, down to the south and over toward the east, of course. For us, not much at all, not even registering much as far as the rainfall goes at all. Here, we could get an isolated shower, thunderstorm this afternoon, but again, not actually looking at that to amount to much. Our sustained winds will be anywhere between 10 and 15 miles per hour this afternoon. Those gusts could make it up to 25 miles per hour, so that will be the impacts for us, mainly a gust of wind or two, especially as we head toward the afternoon. Today starts to die down tonight, and then tomorrow we'll do it all over again. We'll get those 20 mile per hour gusts moving into our forecast area as the storm moves along our coastline and further off to the north. Even on Wednesday, back behind the storm, the wraparound will be on the gusty side as far as the winds go, maybe getting up to about 25 miles per hour even on Wednesday. So the gusty winds will be the impact for us. The time today between noon and 9, that impact will be gusts anywhere between 20 and 25 miles per hour. What you need to do, well, tie down any loose objects that you have. If it's trash day, like it is for me, you definitely hope enough trash is in there to help weigh it down, but that could tumble over a little bit. All right, here we go. Forecast track model shows, starting off with the sun, we'll have a mix of sun and clouds by early afternoon. An isolated shower or thunderstorm is certainly possible, but most of us will stay on the dry side today. Most of that heavy rain will be down to the south and east of our area. We'll do it again as we head into Tuesday. Start you off with partly sunny skies. We'll stay that way for much of the afternoon. Notice all that rainfall over here toward the east. An isolated shower, thunderstorm certainly possible for us during the afternoon. And then by Wednesday, things get a little bit better. The storm starts to pull further off to the north. We'll still have that mix of sun and clouds during the afternoon, but our rain chance even lower, I think, on Wednesday. We'll be looking at partly sunny skies, temperatures a little bit warmer. We're back into the low 90s, right around 93 degrees for your high temperature on Wednesday. Thursday, 90, and then we'll start to pick up on some slight rain chances as we head toward the upcoming weekend with that temperature sticking around the 90-degree mark. Let's get a check on the roads out there right now with Crash Clark.